Over there. So today I'm going to show you how you're going to deposit money to the Binance in different ways. So you're just going to enjoy this one. Let's have some fun. So the first thing that you just have to do is to go to the overview, and how you just do that is by clicking the wallet and then just go to the overview. Make sure that you're just using the binance.com. I don't know about this other website, but yeah, because Binance, there's Binance Chain, there's Binance Lite, and there's Binance.com. So all the time just consider Binance.com when you are doing some transactions, but the other ones are for the withdrawals and something the other things, but when you are just talking about the Binance.com, this is the mother of it all. So when you just come over here, we're going to on overview. This is where you just check your overall amount of money, or your money will just be checked over here. So when you click deposit, we have claim to deposit, and this is where you just deposit through the address you copy it. You can paste it to another platform to receive money, or person can send you through address from another wallet. And fiat deposit, here we have depositing of the bank card to them by something very easy. Of course, we just go to the fiat deposit, and the moment you just click deposit fiat, it will take you where you just have to select currency, and of course you see euro over here, but there are different ways. There are different, of course, this euro, this USD, this Ugandan shillings. Let's just check over here, because you can see you can deposit through the bank and Vashkas and peer-to-peer trading. So I'm going to explain these three different ways, because you can use this three ways to deposit money to the Binance in a very simple way. I will explain them in a very simple way so that you can just understand. Let's choose number one, and also you can see over here we can choose which coin do you want to deposit to the Binance. Can be UGX, Ugandan USD, Yatis US dollar. Let's just choose euro over here, and then you just click continue. The next thing that you just have to do over here, let's just cancel this. The next thing that you just have to do is to select the amount of money that you are going to deposit over here. For example, let's say I want to deposit that is 100 euros. So I'm going to be charged a fee of 1.8 euro, which is when I choose 100 euros, I'm going to be charged 1.8. Therefore, I will receive 98.2 euros. So you just have to click continue. The moment you just click continue, it will just take you over here where you have to press and continue with your Visa card. Make sure for you to deposit through the bank, make sure your bank support all it as Visa card or the MasterCard. And now after that, you just fill the information over there, and then you just have money on your Binance in euro. Okay, step number 2 over here to deposit through the Vashkas. So this is another one, and you can see the 0 fee to deposit, but remember there is a fee somewhere. Let me just show you how to do it, because so many Nigerians over there are using Vashkas as arbitrage trading. And why? Because they start varying, because they buy low euro on the buy arbitrage, and then they sell higher on the Binance. So it just is okay, just select the amount you just want to deposit, and then click deposit over here, and then continue. But let's just go to the Vashkas wallet. And the moment you just sign, you can even sign in using the link in the description of this video. First of all, the first thing that you just do is to bind your Binance with Vashkas, and then you just have to click buy crypto, and then that is where you just bind your Binance wallet and the Vashkas account. Yeah, so what you use over here, you can see my account is linked, but I can unlink so that I can just show you how to do it. You just require your email that you just used to register your Binance, and I have to put my email over there, and then continue. The email that can receive money. If you just want to send money to that email, just use that email, and that is the email I also use to register with. Now, how do you deposit money? First of all, you just have to deposit to Vashkas, then deposit to Binance. So it is 2 processes over here, and you can see over here you can choose the amount of money you just want to deposit to the Vashkas, and then over here you can select your country: Jamaica, Kenya, Nigeria, or Pale, and then you just have to select which one card are you going to use, MasterCard, Visa card, and you can see the changes are 3.5%, which is a little high. And over here, after clicking Visa card, you can see you just have to have this requirement like plastic. It must be plastic. You cannot exceed transaction of 10,000 euros dollars per day. Yeah, and you can see over here that you see all the transaction requirement and fee will be calculated over there. After that, just click continue. After clicking continue, now this is where you just take you to fill your Visa card information. The moment you just do like that, the card number and the month and the year, CVV, and then you be done with that. And then you just click pay, and then we are done. Your money will just be deposited into the Binance, to the Antivashkas, and then when your money is in Antivashkas, then you just go to the Binance and then deposit through the Antivashkas, and then you are done. You just have to click that and continue, and your money will be loaded to your Binance within 1 minute. Now, the other way, of course, of doing this in a very simple way is, of course, through depositing through peer-to-peer trading. This is the amazing way. This is the way I always recommend you to go through, because if you just consider like depositing through the Antivashkas, you are going to incur a lot of fees, because you can see, first of all, you can just go 3.5%, and also you can see another fee of €1, which makes us to be very expensive over here. And if you just consider to use bank, you can see you'll be charged 1.80% fee of that. But if you just use peer-to-peer trading, I have also explained how you can deposit money through peer-to-peer trading in a very simple way. And believe me, when you're just going to buy euro, you are going to convert, I know you are going to convert it to USDT, but if you want specifically euros, then you can just also buy crypto, that is USDT, Bitcoin, through peer-to-peer trading, and then you can just convert them to euro or buy the euro. It's simple when it's just like that, but when you just consider the other method, it's going to cost you. So I hope this video have been of help to you. So if you just want to know about all those things about trading, peer-to-peer trading, you can this video here on the screen. They will just help you so much to move on with these steps and the journey of making money online and also transaction on the Binance. Okay, so if you have any question, make sure that you just leave it in the comment section. I will check that. Yeah, and also my number is also in the description. You can WhatsApp me. But if okay, what I do on the WhatsApp is that when you're just going to contact me on the WhatsApp, if you have any other different question, I'm going to charge you $1 for those things, because I need to buy bundles. I need to call you so that I can help you maybe to withdraw money if you have any difficulty. So it's just simple like that. Then you just be going to peer-to-peer trading, and then you just be withdrawing money or depositing money through peer-to-peer trading, as you can see over here. So it's just simple like that. See you next time. Goodbye.